Preventing credential stuffing with unique passwords is one of the most effective ways to protect your online accounts and personal data. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that and why it's essential. Stay with me till the end for an exclusive free trial to help you stay secure. First, let's break down what credential stuffing is. It's when hackers use stolen username and password combinations from data breaches to try to break into other accounts. This happens because many people reuse passwords across different sites. The problem with reusing passwords is that once one account is compromised, it opens the door to everything else you've used that password for. Now, the key to preventing credential stuffing is using unique passwords for every account you create. I know that sounds like a challenge, but it's much easier than you think. The first step is to create passwords that are strong and unique. A strong password is at least 12 characters long, contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoids obvious choices like password 123. But how do you remember all these different passwords? That's where password managers come in. A good password manager stores all your unique passwords securely and fills them in for you automatically when you log into websites. I've tested out several password managers, and I'll leave a link in the description for an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using today. You can follow along with me if you want to stay on top of your online security. Once you have a password manager, you don't need to worry about memorizing every single password. You just need to remember one master password to unlock your password manager. It's a game changer for both security and convenience. But there's one more thing you should do to prevent credential stuffing. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring you to enter a code sent to your phone or email, in addition to your password. Even if a hacker gets your password, they still can't access your account without that second code. This is a simple step that makes a huge difference in securing your accounts. So, let's quickly review what we've covered. First, always use unique passwords for every account. Then, use a password manager to store and autofill them. Lastly, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. By following these steps, you'll significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to credential stuffing attacks. As a key takeaway, remember, the easiest way to prevent credential stuffing is by using unique passwords for every account. A password manager makes this super simple, and 2FA gives your accounts that extra protection they need. And don't forget, there's a link in the description to get an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend. Take advantage of that while you can. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.